cherish in every way. Loyalty binds us and makes us strong. Honesty shows that we belong. And kindness shared will unite us through each day. The fire of friendship lives in our hearts. As long as it burns, we cannot drift apart. Though quarrels arise, their numbers are few. Laughter and singing will see us through. Will see us through. We are a circle of holy friends. A circle of friends will be to the very end. Winter brings all its cold